Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's creamed rice cooked in the Tefal Cook4Me. We've had a few requests for the Tefal Cook4Me lately and it's been feeling a little bit neglected, so it's a really dismal and rainy, windy day today. Creamed rice is absolutely gorgeous and I'm going to show you how to make it. So into the Tefal Cook4Me we drop in 50 grams of butter and put it onto the manual function and then the browning function, and we'll just let that butter melt. We've got some arborio rice, sometimes called pudding rice here. They use this for risotto. We've got some full cream milk, some cinnamon, some pure vanilla extract, some sweetened condensed milk that'll add the added richness and also the sweetener to our rice, and we've also got half a cup of water. Once this is melted, with a silicone spatula we're going to just pop our rice in there and get it all coated in that butter. Okay, our butter's mostly melted now, starting to have a bit of a sizzle. In with our rice, in with our vanilla extract, just a teaspoon or so of that. In with a good sprinkle of our cinnamon. You could put nutmeg in this if you like, but Richo doesn't really like nutmeg. You could also put raisins or sultanas in this and they'll get all little plumped up sugar bombs. They're beautiful in this, but we're just going fairly simple at this stage. Now we're going to add some water, our milk, and our sweetened condensed milk. Give that a good stir around. Then we're going to close the lid and put it onto the quick cook function for 10 minutes. Okay, it's well and truly stirred around now. Pretty quick so far, you'd have to agree. Close the lid. We're finished browning. Yes, we have. We're going to quick cooking and 10 minutes. Immediate start, close and bolt the lid. Okay, our 10 minutes of cooking is up now. It has just made a little noise to let me know that it's able to be unbolted now. I'm going to lift this and you're going to get fogged up, but we'll see how we go. It'll be really quite liquid and I'm going to give it a stir, make sure it's all well and truly mixed up with the liquid. And now I'm just going to leave it on the keep warm function for about 10 minutes. And in that time, that rice will have soaked up most of that liquid and it'll be a lovely creamy mix. Now, if you want to, as it cools down, you can add an egg to this if that's what you want to do. It's an added bit of protein and a bit of richness. Or you can also add a splash of cream to it. But I think the condensed milk and the butter and the full cream milk has given it quite a lovely flavour. Just make sure there's no lumps in there so that all that rice can absorb that moisture. And just close the lid and leave it in the keep warm function. It'll keep warm for hours if you like. Just keep your eye on it that it doesn't get too gluggy, that's all. How quick and simple was that? Make this before dinner, and while you're eating dinner the rice will be absorbing that moisture. Telling me to unload the dew collector, but there's not much water in it at all. And I'm just keeping it on keep warm. There you go, after 30 minutes longer, just sitting in here keeping nice and hot. You can see it's soaked up most of that moisture now. Have a little taste, shall we? Very, very hot. Nice and soft, just the right amount of sweetness, really creamy. That would be great with some berries or some stewed fruit. Yummo. Thanks for watching.